we're going to show you how to use the pairing cable to connect two adjustable bases with one remote control so they act as one unit. We're going to use the pairing cable with two inputs on one end, one on the other. We're going to remove the remote from one base, attach one of the two in its place, remove the remote from the second base, make the connection, line up the pins, and take one of the remotes and put it on a single end, line up the pins, and now you have attached one remote to two of the bases so they work together.